Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video I wanted to do something a little bit different and I wanted to give you a book recommendation for the law of attraction. So this is a really good book. It's helped me. This will specifically help you if you're interested in the law of attraction, which you probably are if you're watching this, and if you're looking to use the law of attraction to attract money specifically. So if money is a thing, an asset that you're looking to attract, you're going to love this book recommendation. Also, be sure to get your free law of attraction guide by myself. It will show you exactly how I've used it and what I managed to manifest in my life. It tells you the story of exactly how it happened and how I used it in a step-by-step fashion to manifest a car of my dreams. So it will show you exactly how I did that. It shows you the car as well. It's given to you in a step-by-step email format as well. You will find it at attractyourdreamstoyou.com. Okay, so I'll just show you the page. It will look like this: attractyourdreamstoyou.com, and you'll be able to see the 3-step process. There's also some more stuff in there to help, but give it a go. Let me know what you think. Give it a go and then come back and in the comments or anywhere on any of my videos, let me know how you got on, because I've studied this stuff for quite a long time, all the way back from sort of when The Secret was released, maybe a little bit before. I just didn't realize it was the law of attraction. Okay, and that will lead me to my book recommendation for you, especially if you want money. So check out attractyourdreamstoyou.com. That's the first thing. I'll put the link below. The second thing is the book recommendation. Let me know if you've read it as well, if you've already read it. It is by a guy called Wattles. Okay, and it is The Science of Getting Rich. I was just thinking then, I can't remember when this was published. I think it was published in the 30s, 1930s, I believe. Let me know if I'm right about that in the comments. Just off the top of my head, that was. It's an older book, and if you haven't read it, you're going to love it. Okay, especially if you're looking to attract money. Let me just tell you a little bit about it. It's not strictly a law of attraction in the conventional sense. So it's not a book that is in the conventional sense law of attraction and how to manifest things into your life. But if you read it, what you will find is that even before The Secret, like, nearly getting on 60 or 70 years before The Secret was even released, this book shows you, it talks about the stuff that you need to have to get rich, like the thinking stuff, the thinking matter. I won't go too weird. It's explained far better than me in the book. But you can see here, Rhonda Byrne accredits The Science of Getting Rich as an inspiration for a phenomenally popular book and film, The Secret. So I didn't know that. Rhonda Byrne, I've just seen there live with you guys that she actually accredits this book as an inspiration for the popular book and film, The Secret. So the other thing you'll like about the book, if you like this sort of style, is, as it says here, 17 direct and to the point chapters that teach the reader how to push past the mental barriers that can easily hold us up to achieving our goals. If you've ever wanted more money, if you want to attract more money into your life, grab it. It's one of the best books on how to make money and how to attract it into your life that I've read. It's very short and to the point, like the chapters are very easy to read. You can check out the reviews on Amazon, and it's really inexpensive as well, because it's sort of, so this is the UK version. You've got like 5-star reviews. You've also got a few 1-star reviews. As with everything, 7% 1-star, 71% 5-star. I highly recommend it. Here's the thing, just last thing I'll say on it. If you're looking for a text guide on how to build wealth, it's probably not for you. In fact, I can say it's not for you. Like investing and how to make money and how to build a business, it will not be for you. If you're looking for more of a guide that shows you exactly how to attract wealth in your life and how it's made and the starting blocks of that, and if you need money now and you're you're watching this, so I assume that you're into the law of attraction. I believe that you'll absolutely love it. So do check it out. Do get the law of attraction guide as well, attractyourdreamstoyou.com. I'll put the link below. It will really, really help you. And it's totally free. And I want you to take the free course because I want you to use the steps in there and then come back and let me know how you did. You don't have to use it to get a car or anything like that. You can obviously pick money, anything. Okay, that's the fun of it. So do check that out. I hope you enjoy the book recommendation. Give us a thumbs up if you like it. Let me know in the comments, have you read it? What did you think? And I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.